Thanks for checking in with Maine's Total Weather here on a Friday evening. Those gusty winds are likely to continue right through the overnight, at times gusting close to 40 or 45 miles per hour. Wind advisories from the mountains all the way down to the coastline. We've got the sunshine back in the forecast for tomorrow, but the gusty winds during the overnight and early tomorrow. Temperatures then climb into the 20s. That's a far cry from the 50-degree reading we had earlier today. Here's the view from above. Some clouds and flurries in the mountains as the colder air comes in. High pressure is off to our west. This means that not just Saturday, but Sunday looks good. Monday looks good. The coldest of the cold and the windiest, that would be on Saturday. I think temperatures are up a little bit on Sunday and the wind down a notch on Sunday as well. So high temperatures, 28 Saturday afternoon. That's a big drop from where we were today. Here's my 8-day forecast, looking pretty good for the next several days. Back to seasonable temperatures, and we're tracking the possibility of a snowstorm middle part of next week.